Cleared for landing. Many things are on fire during the war. Cleared for landing. Drift. While I was recording, the camera was down, so but I recovered it. Fighting between steps, season 2. Alright guys, we're gonna destroy you. No, we are stronger ships. Alright, let's see. Now it's between the tiny boat and the pirate ship. Alright, I will wear my skull flag up. Man, you gonna lose. Me gonna win this. No, I'm gonna. Yo, bro, I knew I would win. Alright, it's my turn. Alright, battle me, aircraft carrier. Alright, I'm gonna win this. Man, that did not hurt. Bro was too weak. Gotta win this and once and for all. Alright, bro, I'm gonna win this. I'm gonna win this. Not so fast. I am the strongest out of all. No, me. Alright, let's see then. That did no damage. Now look. Still no damage. Launch a missile. LOL. I didn't need to use my blue helicopter. Cars War. Yo, it's the Cars War, and we gonna win this. No, we gonna win this. Oh, okay. Now let's see who wins. We'll start. Okay. Okay, now let's start. Bro, that was very weak. Now let's see mine. Bro, I almost knocked him right in the ocean. Bro, that was so weak, damn it. Whoa, there's lots of fire going on. We have no choice but to use our last resort. Whoa, nice try. All the wars ended, but apparently there's lots of fire going on, as this was a war between the Raiaskar airport, old name, and the enemy things. Now it's gonna end.